Simplify this sort. So we have 2 root 3 over 1 minus 6 root 3. So if we simplify this, square root 27, we have square root 9 times 3. Square root of 9 gives us 3 square root 3. So we represent 3 square root 3. So the LCM is 3 square root 3. Okay. So 1 in this gives us 3 square root 3 times this. So 2 times 3 is 6. Square root 3 times square root 3 gives us 3. So 6 times 3 gives us 18. This and this we have 3. 3 times 6 gives us 18 plus 3. So that gives us 18 minus 18, 0. So we have 3 over 3 square root 3. 3 cancelled 3, which gives us 1 over square root 3. So now we rationalize the number. So we have 1 over square root 3 times square root 3 times square root 3. We multiply the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. Okay, so we have this times this, we have square root 3 over square root 3 times square root 3, we have 3, which is the same thing as the answer option B. So this is the answer.